In this video, I'm going to be going over how to add alt text to an image in WordPress step by step. Adding alt text to images in WordPress is a quick and easy process. By the end of this video, you'll successfully have your alt text added to your image in your WordPress website. Let's get started. To start, I'm in the WordPress dashboard. You want to start by hovering over the Pages or Post tab in the left side menu. The steps are the same for both. I'll click Pages. I'll choose a page where I want to add alt text tag to an image. Click Edit. Find the image you want to add the alt text to. I'll go to this image here. I'll click on it. You'll see over to the right the alternative text. Input the alt text that you want to use for the image. For example, I'll name mine Demo Alt Text Tag. Click the Save button at the top. Next, click the View Page icon. It'll now bring up the view of the page. I'll scroll down to the image we just added the alt text tag to. I'll right click on it. Next, click Inspect. You'll see the image file showing here in the alt text, which is named the Demo Alt Text Tag that I named it. That is how to add alt text to an image in WordPress. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment. We'll let us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tutorial videos.